Alright, this is a video of I'm repainting my heat shields on my Boarzilla exhaust for my ElectraGlide Ultra Classic. And you can see I pulled the shields off there, left pretty much everything else on there. And I fine sanded the ceramic coating on here since it looked so bad. I mean, it was pretty gray. And you can see that's one that's been painted with the first coat, and I'll be doing a few more coats on that. But, you know, big improvement in the difference. And this is the paint that I'm using. It's a Rust-Oleum 1200 degree barbecue paint. So we'll see how that comes out. Alright, it's been painted. I baked the back one in the oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees, but I don't think I really needed to because the other one I just laid out in the sun, and it was dry to the touch. I was able to put it back on the bike. I put some towels in between anywhere it might scratch when I had to wedge it back on, but drastic improvement compared to the back pipe. I mean, that's what the whole thing looked like before, all stained and marked up, and I'll be taking that off and doing that not today, but soon. But it came out really good. A few spots I'm going to touch up. Just throw a towel behind it and touch it up. But drastic improvement. I mean, really made a big difference. This paint seems to be really forgiving. This Rust-Oleum barbecue. It's like 1200 degree paint. But I mean, it's supposed to be a little bit of a like semi-gloss. It's yeah, like a semi-gloss sheen, and it's looks just about right. Looks good. Saved me a lot of money on getting new heat shields.